Okay, so my son and I experimented around with this drone, and this is out on the Tennessee River on a little tributary near a island where we launch it, just outside of Madison Harbor. And so he puts the drone on, and it focuses on me, so then I take off. It just feels so good to finally have the Sea-Doo running, but this is kind of an added bonus to be blazing down this little tributary. It kicks up. It does about 45 miles per hour, and we wanted to see, what the drone would do here. It's pulling up on the side, and then it does a little adjustment. I would like to see where he could maybe get in front of me and get some footage that way. So hopefully we can get that in. There's a little boat off there to the side. There's a really nice off to the right. There's a really nice walking path that goes down to Ditto Landing. This is where it kind of, I guess he had me in slow mo because this is where it speeds up, and I go around, and then it kind of I turn around, and the drone says, "Okay, I've had enough of him. Hey, there's the path, and I want to go home now. So see you, dude. Let's go back." Either maybe the batteries are low or something like that, but it basically decided to head back. But you see how pretty it is down there. Definitely want to do more riding.